Okay, continuing my updates with the Garten Robot installation. So I cleared this part of my driveway and in the, I don't know, a year or so since I put up the fence because we had a puppy. This all grew out and I have to dig out some of the roots from between the stones here. This is the little stone pavement that they like to use in Europe and Germany. But I've already pulled out, cut stuff down, and now there's roots that are exposed in it. I have to cut them out, but I have to pull the bricks out because they've grown down in between them. This is a lot of work. I tried it with the motors inside the wire brush attachment on the rewacker, and it's just not powerful enough. So, gotta pull this stuff up, put it back down like a jigsaw puzzle. There's two different shapes, the corner shape and the normal shape stones. Yeah, this is a lot of work.